Have you ever noticed how life sometimes changes overnight? You are steady in your career and suddenly an unexpected twist shows up, or a relationship that felt stable begins to wobble for no clear reason. What if I told you these shifts aren't random but influenced by hidden cosmic forces? Welcome to Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets. I'm your host Ria, and today we are exploring Antardashas, the sub periods within Vimshottri Mahadasha, and how they secretly shape your fate. Why Antardasha actually matters. In Vedic astrology, Mahadashas, the big planetary periods, get the spotlight. They last anywhere from 6 to 20 years and set the theme of your life. But within each Mahadasha are smaller chapters called Antardasha. These sub-periods are the hidden forces that bring real turning points. Think of the Mahadasha as the season of a show, while Antardashas are the episodes, each with its own twists and surprises. Let's say you are in Jupiter Mahadasha, 16 years of growth and expansion. Inside that, Jupiter Sun might spark leadership. Jupiter with Venus Antardasha could bring love or marriage. Jupiter with Saturn might test patience and duty. The Mahadasha set the stage, but the Antardasha directs the daily plot. That's why two people under the same Mahadasha can experience totally different realities. Rohit, a software engineer in New Jersey, was in Mercury Mahadasha, usually good for career growth. But during Mercury Rahu Antardasha, chaos struck. His project collapsed, his manager quit, and his job felt unstable. Then the Antardasha shifted to Mercury Jupiter. Within weeks, he landed a new role at nearly double the salary. Same Mahadasha, completely different Antardasha. That's the power of these hidden forces. Antardashas aren't random, they are karmic lessons. Saturn Antardasha calls for discipline, Venus Antardasha highlights love or luxury, while Rahu Antardasha tempts with illusions and breakthroughs. Each one is a teacher handing out assignments. Whether you pass depends on how consciously you engage with the energy. Let's address some of the common questions we hear. Which is stronger, Mahadasha or Antardasha? Mahadasha is the backdrop, Antardasha is today's storyline. Antardasha often feels more immediate. How long do Antardashas last? It can last from a few months to a few years, depending on the planet. Can Antardashas override Mahadashas? They don't override, they refine. Venus Antardasha in Saturn Mahadasha might bring marriage, but Saturn's lesson still apply. Here's how to work with your Antardasha. Awareness. Know which Antardasha you are in. Apps or astrologers like Astrobhava can calculate it. Flow with the planet. In Mars Antardasha, channel energy into leadership or fitness, not into fights. Remedies. Use mantras, pujas, or charities aligned with the Antardasha planet. For example, Saturn Antardasha benefits from discipline and Shani related rituals. Adjust your focus. In Moon Antardasha, nurture emotions. In Mercury Antardasha, expand learning and networking. Let's hear another story. Meera in London was in Venus Mahadasha, perfect for marriage. But during Venus Saturn Antardasha, every proposal collapsed. When Venus Moon Antardasha began, everything changed. She met her husband within months. The Antardasha shifted, and so did her destiny. Here's the truth. Antardasha are the gears inside the bigger clock of Mahadasha. They decide when events unfold, when the delays come, and when the breakthroughs arrive. If life feels confusing, check your Antardasha with Astrobhava. It often explains sudden changes. And remember, each Antardasha isn't just about events, it's about lessons. Ask yourself, who's teaching you right now? Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, or Rahu? And what are they asking you to learn? This was another episode of Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets. If you'd like to know which Antardasha you are in, and how to align your choices with it. Visit us at astrobhava.com. Until the next time, may your hidden forces guide you wisely, and may every chapter of your destiny unfold in harmony with the stars.